Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel. Subscribe, comment, like and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon.
Ultanic T10 Robot Vacuum and Mop with Self-Empty Station, 3000 pascals, Suction, Multi-Floor Mapping, Laser Navigation, App and Remote and Alexa and Google Home Control, ideal for pet hair, hard floor and carpet. Brand Ultenic Color, White Surface Recommendation. Hard floor, wooden floor, carpet, rug controller, type. App control, remote control, voice control, touchpad control, button control. Battery, cell composition. Lithium-ion self-empty robotic vacuum. No need to clean the dustbin after every cleaning. The Ultanic T10 will automatically dispose the dust and debris into its auto-empty station. With 4.3 liters disposable dust bag, the large capacity dust bag can store up to 60 days worth of dust and debris to free your hands. 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping, equipped with 2-in-1 dust bin with water tank. T10 allows vacuuming and mopping multi-clean modes to meet your cleaning needs with ease. Powerful suction. Mova Z500 Robot Vacuum and Mop Smart Navigation Robot Vacuum. Robot vacuum cleaner with 3000 pascals, strong suction. Alexa, 5200 mAh large battery, 2-in-1 vacuum and mop for pet hair, hard floor, carpet. Brand Mova Surface Recommendation. Hard floor, carpet, dual action controller, type. Remote control. Battery, cell composition. Lithium-ion batteries included. Yes. Visual navigation with thin design. The Mova Robot Vacuum is a great choice to clean your home smarter. Real-time positioning with wide-angle dynamic visual navigation in a 3.2 inches slim design ensures full coverage cleaning of your home. Enhanced suction, power and battery. The robot vacuum and mop pulls in stubborn dirt, messes, and pet hair using increased suction power at 3000 pascals and 4 levels. Control modes, regarding to your request. Robotic vacuums with superior large 5200 mAh battery can clean up to 2700 ft². Large house vacuum and mop in one go. You can always choose from 3 options of water volume. Shark AV2501 Robot Vacuum with XL HEPA self-empty base, bagless, 60-day capacity, LiDAR navigation, perfect for pet hair, compatible with Alexa, Wi-Fi connected, carpet, and hard floor. Black, brand Shark color black/bronze, controller type. App control, voice control. Battery cell composition, lithium-ion batteries included. Yes. Forget about vacuuming. The bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris while its true HEPA filtration captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, down to 0.3 microns. Powerful cleaning performance, incredible suction. Picks up all kinds of dirt and debris, and in ultra clean mode, you get 30% better carpet cleaning versus normal cleaning mode. Tested on sand and level loop. On-demand deep cleaning. Select ultra clean mode in the Shark Clean app to target specific rooms, high traffic zones or spots for perfect for homes with pets. The combination of powerful suction and Shark's self-cleaning brush roll picks up 50% more pet hair with no hair wrap in ultra clean mode versus eufy by Anchor. RoboVac G30 Robot Vacuum with smart dynamic navigation. 2.0, 2000 pascals strong suction, super slim, Wi-Fi compatible with Alexa, carpets and hard floors, ideal for pet owners. Brand eufy color black surface recommendation. Carpet controller, type Vera, Amazon Alexa. Battery, cell composition. Lithium-ion, smart dynamic navigation. 2.0, navigate faster and better than before by thoroughly covering your entire house with logical route planning instead of random paths. RoboVac doesn't miss a spot. 2000 pascals of hard-hitting suction. The ultra-strong 2000 PA of suction power ensures more debris is picked up across all surfaces around the house, giving you noticeably cleaner floors. Control at your fingertips. Take full control of RoboVac from your smartphone. Review, cleaning history, set scheduled cleaning, switch modes, and more on the app.
This is HUENIT, an AI camera and modular robot arm, 3D printer, laser, pen holder, suction, and AI camera. HUENIT is the only robot arm for creative makers. HUENIT's AI camera detects and recognizes objects in real time. The recognized objects can also be moved with the suction tool. Tools are easy to remove. Use the laser tool on whatever material you want. And that's not all. HUENIT can even replace its tools by itself. Okay? Let's continue with our work. The auto leveling for 3D printing. It levels the printing bed easily. Create any 3D object you can imagine with the 3D printer module. You'll turn into an amazing artist with the pen holder module. Enjoy drawing cool calligraphy and artwork. Keep your creativity flowing with the customized tool. There's nothing you can't do with the Creator module. The ways in which you can use the Creator tool is almost limitless. HUENIT decides on its own. It networks with you. The touch display makes controlling it simple. And our software makes all the HUENIT's functions convenient and practical. Extreme strength, wide working range, quick speed, and high precision. All your ideas can become reality with HUENIT.
Green light. Red light.
Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel. Subscribe, comment, like and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon.